I don't know, destroys them, eats all of their resources. No, what? Jesus Christ. Oh, Control Z is working, thankfully. There we go. Enter, whatever. We have a description, excellent. So now let's convert this into a... Okay, first of all, let's remove this event system. Yep. And now, so we have a duck. I need to add the manual rotation script. And let's convert this to a prefab now. Prefabs, menu, let's delete this. Excellent, so now I'm going back to the menu scene. Menu controller. And let's try this now. Hopefully it works. Yay. It's kind of working. Haha. Wow. Amazing, right? So I'm guessing I want to kind of mess with the center of this. So I'm just going to go in here, select both duck and the canvas and kind of move them a bit upwards. There we go. Right. Let's see how this looks now. Yep, pretty cool, I would say. Oh, am I still saying? Oh, yeah, okay, so that's better. Cool. Right, so now I need to create a menu item for the potion and for the duck egg and for the projectile, I guess. Jesus, almost 2 in the morning. Yeah, I still need to write a report. Right, I should start doing this as quickly as possible. go back to the test scene. And now I'm just going to remove this lit. Great. Let's go back to doc menu item, open this. Just going to copy the whole thing. There we go. Go back to the scene, paste, and I'll name this egg menu item. So instead of the duck model, I want to use the egg model. Like duck egg, I'm just going to copy this and go back to the scenes, pasty, move this upwards, remove duck, keep the egg. Let's remove all this stuff. Okay. And now I can change this to the egg. Okay, perfect. So maybe I should kind of rotate this a little bit. Nah, let's go. I don't need to add the rotation script to this. So what the fuck is going on? Let's add this to the menu. There we go. Let's go back to the menu scene. Menu controller. Egg menu item. Oh, Jesus, forgot to disable the gravity. Right. Rigid body. I actually don't even need the rigid body in this one. So I'm just going to remove it. There we go. Perfect. Let's play. right. Oh god. So we have rotation problem as well. Okay, so I guess I should make a script called face the main camera, which will force all of these thingies to kind of always rotate towards the main camera. Okay, so let's create a new C# script. Okay. Come on, open up. Right. Private camera, main camera, and start will say camera is equal main. Yeah, what am I doing? I need to do that. Right. So on updates, I will say what transform forward will be equal to camera dot main dot transform forward, but negated. Ta-da! I hope so. Anyway. Alright, so I need to modify this canvas bullshits. Will this ever work on the canvas stuff? I hope so. Prefab. Menu. Add menu item. There we go. Let's add a script. Face the main camera. Or maybe I should just face away from the center of the rotation. Yeah. Okay, whatever. Let's just first test this. We have this, and we also have what? The stars, projector. Okay, another main item, duck main item. There we go. This thing. No, I want this, and I want to put face main camera script. So let's see now. Back to scenes, play. Object reference not sent to. Come on, man. and whatever. Stop it. Let's remove this stuff. There we go. Let's delete this shit. I'm just going to do this in the menu controller. Come on, open up. So, let's see. Forward. Where am I using forward? Okay. So now, since I have this instance of an object, I want it to face away from the center. So I'll say transform forward will be equal to that transform that position minus menu item container that transform that position and I'll just normalize this. So hopefully this should fix my problems. Scene, let's play. Okay, that's a step in the right direction, I guess. Just need to inverse this. So yep. So let's try this now. Excellent. So it's working now. Coolio. Oh boy. Okay. So next thing I want to do is create a new menu item, this time for health potion. No, projectile. Okay, projectile will do that. Okie dokie. So let's go back to the test scene. Go to this, open up the duck menu item, copy pasta, there we go. Let's open up the projectile, just gonna copy this, back to scenes, paste, and let's make it a little bit bigger. So delete the duck. There we go, projectile. Let's remove this. Okay. Remove. Jeez. Great. Let's remove this component. Let's remove the projectile. Remove the sphere collider and rigid body as well. I need it. I'll leave the trail render. Could be a cool effect in the menu. So let's see, canvas title. Let's rename this to the projectile. Oops. Let's change the text. Okay, so that's perfect. Let's create a new prefab. There we go. Let's go back to the menu scene, menu controller, and let's add this projectile menu item here. So let's see how this goes. Okay, it seems like the effect is not scaled with it, so let's also fix that. Projectile menu item, open up, projectile trail renderer. Okay, so 0. Oops. Okay, so let's set the width to 1. Okay. Okie dokie. Let's go. Okay, so the next thing I need to do is the potion menu item. Right, so let's open this up. Just copy pasta back to the test scene. paste. Gonna remove the sphere collider and the rigid body. Right, so let's delete this and go over to the projectile duck menu item. That's what I want. Copy, test scene. What? Cancel. Go back to scene. Save. Paste. um, oh, okay. Here I have what this title. Let's change the title to the potion. Um, there we go. So that's one more thing done. Yep. Menu controller. We want 4 items now. Health potion. Okay. So now I should make a menu that will lead you into the game. Right. And also I should probably create like a new image which kind of shows the controls. So I make this, I don't know, 600 by 500. Right. Let's show off my amazing drawing skills. I'm too lazy to connect my drawing tablet, so I'm just going to draw this with my mouse. Right, so what I want to do, black color, no, the white color, okay. Let's just add some background to this, cancel, solid color, black. New layer. And okay, let's draw. Oh wow, what's this? When did I apply this stencil? I guess it's some kind of weird brush. There we go. This okay, yep. Okay, so we want the A key, the S key. Yeah, exactly. D key and W key, and also a spacebar. So W, S, A, and D. Perfect. Let's save this as controls. Yeah, whatever. Let's disable this. Image, trim, transparent pixels. Image, canvas size. What's the size? Okay, so 460. Let's make it 460 by 460. No, 470 by 470. Okay. Let's save this as a PNG. Controls, save. There we go. Okay. So now create another menu item. Let's see. Copy and paste. Okay, so I guess I'll need to kind of expand this canvas now. Righty. So height should be let's say that we'll add 50 pixels to this. So we get 300, then we also need to add image, canvas size 470, so it would be 770 pixels of height. Oh wait, let's make it 790. There we go. Canvas 2D or not 2D. Let's make this image canvas size. Nah, that's too large. Let's make it 500. There we go. And with 500 as well. Okay. So now on both canvas, and this should to go a bit down like so. Let's rename this to control. Oh yeah, I forgot to kind of add click to shoot. Let's also say mouse one. There we go. Perfect. So now on the canvas, I want to add a new element image. There we go. Let's make it, I don't know, 200, no, 300 by 300. There we go. Move it a bit upwards. And let's see, controls, save this as PNG. Image, drag and drop this to sprites. Change this to the sprite 2D and UI. Yes, apply, of course. And change this here. Delete the duck. There we go. Perfect. So okay, let's go to the menu scene. No, actually, back to the test scene. I need to make this into prefab. Control menu item. There we go. Prefab. Menu controller. 5. Control menu item. There we go. Yeah, that's kind of shitty, but okay, I guess I should kind of go to the control menu item and move this shit down a little bit. Like so. Jeez. Okay. And now I just need to make a new menu. That will actually load the game once we are done. Right. How do I do this again? Actually, I think I just go to File, Build Settings, Main Scene, and Menu Scenes. Menu Scene. There we go. Move it above, so it's indexed at 0. And this one is 1. And okay. Let's close this. So now now I need to create a new menu. Okay, whatever. Let's just copy this back to the test scene. Why the fuck did my battery die again? Yeah, whatever. Okay. So then I copy this, I'll copy this, go to the test scene, delete the shit, save, and paste. Okay, actually I don't want that, I want duck menu item. Do I actually want that? Yeah, I do. Right. Test it back, paste. Let's close game selection menu. And I'm just going to remove this duck. I have canvas. Let's position it to 0, 0. canvas, title, text, title, text, canvas. Let's show the gizmos. Okay. Okay, so we have a button. And bottom will say start. Okay. Okay. Let's see now. I'm going to the menu controller. Gonna create a new function. Let's call it start the game. And I guess I'll need a Unity engine scene manager. Scene management. Now I'll say scene manager load scene, and let's load scene number 1. When I click start game, yeah, but how do I actually, so this will be a prefab. Yeah, we'll find that. Okay, so I'm going to make this a prefab. Okay, let's go back to the main scene. Game event system, game controller, that's what I want. Oops, that's the wrong scene. Menu scene, menu controller. Let's have the 6th menu item. This will be the game selection menu. Okay. Right. Hmm. I guess I should probably... Nah. Yeah, okay, I can just create a script, get the reference to the menu controller, and then do something. Nah, whatever. Let's see how this looks. Okay, duck. We have the menu that should play the game, but for some reason it's too upwards oriented. Okay, let's say game menu. What's the position of this? 0, 0. Canvas. Interesting. I guess I'll just put it a bit lower, like so. Yeah, that was stupid. What I do? Okay, 0. Hmm. Okay. So I want to lower the canvas. There we go. Just a little bit better. Let's lower this some more, like so. Play. Okay. And I also kind of want to revert the order of these items. I don't like it, so let's see. Position. Okay, so I guess that's it. And I only just need to figure out how to connect the start button from the prefab with the menu item, but whatever. Alright, let's open up the main scene. Menu scene. There we go. Menu controller. I kind of want to reverse this order. Jesus, come on, UI, start working. Prefabs, menu, whatever. Okay, so the first thing I want to have is the play. So game selection menu, that should be first. Second item should be controls. Third item should be duck. Then we should have the egg. And projectile. And a potion. Okay. So let's see how this works. So I can immediately click the play the game thing. Negation, duck, egg, projectile, potion, and play the game. Excellent. Okay. So now game selection menu. What do I do with you? Jesus. Let's go and click on the button. Actually, on canvas. Let's see. Event camera. Okay, so I need to add the event camera. And with the button, image, request targets. Okay, so I guess that's kind of alright. Now, yeah, there are a lot of questionable things here. How can I create such an instance that will make all this possible? Then how do I connect this to the main shit? You know what? Let's just do the stupid solution. So just in the menu controller, let's say which of the menu items is the menu item. So public int and index is equal to 0 by default. Then in start, we'll do what we'll say. Like this, and now if I is equal to menu item index, then we'll say var Unity, child components. No, actually, a better idea would be to kind of create another field for game objects. So object, and we'll call this main menu. Main item. Instead of this crap, we'll just note this as well. We'll do what? We'll do what? We will apply all of this shit to that as well. Okay. Okay, so now, let's see. I have to do what? Apply this position and whatever to that menu item. So, position is equal and position. Position is equal to okay. So I can just say set up the menu item and oh, I don't know, I can't say that. Jesus. I actually can't. Okay, let's go with this. So I need to fix up this angle calculation and add one more because we have one more menu item than usual. Here I also add one. There we go. And this is just 0, 0. Okay, so that should work, hopefully. Hope I didn't waste time right now. So now I can create an instance of the game selection menu. I'll make it a child of menu item container. And let's focus on this shit. So let's say now I have access to this stuff. I can connect this over here. And let's see. I have canvas, I have title, I have button. And now what I want to do with this button, on click, I want the menu controller, and I want to call the menu controller function called start game. There we go. Now I also need to go to the canvas and connect the event camera. So this would be main camera, and let's see if anything happens. Okay. Just forgot to increase the scale, so but it seems like it works. Set a menu item. Where is the scale? Local scale. Yoink. Oops. Okay. So now let's check this out. Hooray! Let's click, and there we go. We are in action. Wow, the eggs are falling from the sky. Let's murder the fucking ducks. Boop. So now the only thing I'm missing now is like the event when I die. I need to kind of tell the user, okay, you've killed this many ducks and you've survived for this amount of time. But before that, let's also try and make a nice transition when I'm entering the game, right? So, what the fuck is this? Okay, I guess something editor related. So main UI 2D. Okay, let's add an image. There we go. We have an image, and can I make it like full height? Stretch it. Hmm. This is quite annoying. Let's see. You know what? Fuck that. Fuck that. Let's delete. I don't care about that, so we can live without this nice fade to black transition. How the fuck? Oh yeah, I forgot. I need to go to menu controller and boy. Let's put this here. Let's put this here. Let's put this here. Here. Okay. Okay, so that's working. Great. I pronounced the menu done for now. So let's go back to the main scene. And let's add a final touch, which will show a menu item. Like when I kill that, I will display the final number of kills and the time that we've managed to survive, and the button to kind of play again or go back to the menu or exit the game. I don't know. Okay, so let's open up the canvas. This time I'm going to add a new element, let's say panel, I guess. I don't know. Yeah, so there is a stretch. Okay, whatever. Right. And I'm just going to remove this component. Do I even need the canvas? Oh no. Let's add what? Text, right? So UI text. Let's say actually Control Z. This actually might be good, so let's add like a dark tint. Spell, let's add UI text. Let's call it final kill counts. Let's add another text node. Final time. Okay, so this is the height of this is 30. So I should move this 15 pixels upwards. And this one I should move 15 pixels downwards. Yeah, let's make it 20 or 25, that's even better. Let's make this 25 as well. Just a second. Okay. I want to center this, and let's use this font. White color, let's call this kill count. 500. No, this is time. Okay, something like that. Now let's add 2 buttons. Let's see. Where is it? Button, UI, button. And I'll call this one play again. Restart maybe. And let's create another one. Main menu. There we go. Oops. Control Z. Main menu. There we go. Okay, so let's center all of this just a little bit. So there we go. Okay. So hopefully this should be everything that I require. Now let's go back to the game controller and implement this shit. So, game controller. First of all, I need some public fields for this text stuff. No, what I want. Panel, right? So what does panel consists of? Nothing special really. Okay, so we have those two buttons. I don't really need to think about the buttons. I can just attach a function to them from their UI. So let's see. Okay. So now we need to create a function that will run when our health reaches 0. So when targs e, there we go. It's not public, it's private, but whatever. So in the start thingy, let's subscribe to ability down to 0 plus equals on health 0. Okay. And right, so health bar UI. Let's create a function. Stats panel. Right. So here we'll take the panel and disable it. I won't do anything fancy. I guess let's go to update. No, not to update, to start, right? And oh boy, I'm getting tired and slow. Jesus Christ. Why the fuck am I doing this to myself always? So panel, what do I do with this panel? I disable it. So active equals false. No, panel enabled. What the fuck is going on? Panel, let's call it the final panel. Game object dots. Oh, set active. Ta-da. Okay, so now it's not active, but when we reach 0, we will first of all destroy the character. So let's destroy a character Mm. No, let's not destroy it, because we still are using this render score and render health and shit, so I'll just disable it. So character set active false. And I will enable the panel. Like so. And then I'll just say final score UI text is equal to string.format. You have survived for zero, column D2, and one D2. Then we add the arguments. And how the heck am I calculating time? Like this. Final score text. This is not final score, this should be final time. What's the text? And you have killed zero ducks. There we go. Okay. So let's set up the fucking game controller. Final panel, canvas, final panel. Put it here, final time UI. Put it here, final score. That goes here, and there we go. Something's done, I guess. So now hopefully I won't have any shitty errors that I can't figure out. So yeah, so far so good. The panel is not visible. Okay. And let's see, when I get hit by enough ducks, will I get... Yep. No, camera's rendering. What the fuck? Oh God, yeah. Okay, so the main camera is inside my character. This ain't good. So I should basically just remove this camera from its parents. Let's do the camera dot main dot transform dot parent is equal to null. La -di -da -di -da. We do this before disabling the character, and let's try it somehow. So come on, ducks, murder me. Bam. 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 Okay, I guess I'm not very lucky. Righto. Canvas. Character. Game controller. Now I need to add a camera from the character. The camera. Yep. Okay. Okay, come and take my life, ducks. Hey, kill me now. Okay, this finally works. So now the only thing I need to do is enable mouse. So, how to do this again? I think I have this shit and character orientation. Yep. So let's paste this. Cursor is visible. True. Cursor lock mode. We'll say none. And yeah. Okay, so now I need to choose how I load the scene. Yeah, okay, scene. Have this button, restart, and to restart, let's create another function in the game controller. Called scene and so scene manager load scene and there we go. So I said it's public, and now restart. When I click this button, I want to execute the function that's on the game controller, and that function is load scene. It takes one argument, and I'll say for restart we want to load the scene 1, and let's do this. Now on the menu button, we also want to call a function from the game controller, and it'll be load scene, which is 0. Excellent. So let's save, play, and hopefully achieve something. Pew pew. Pew. Murder me ducks, come on. Yeah, murder. Kill me. Okay. So let's go to the main menu. Let's start the game. Let's see if we can restart the game. Or what the fuck? Interesting. Let's close this. Right, lobby script. Lobby. So game objects faker, new game